Hello, my name is Sean, and this is going to be the trailer for my main YouTube channel, Sean's Model Builds. I've been building scale models for almost 4 years, everything from model cars, which you can see here, to Star Trek and Star Wars models, which you can see here in various scales. And as you can see, I have a lot more models that I will be building over the coming months and indeed years. In fact, I have enough models to build. I had to expand into the model building room itself to show them all. And this is the table where I actually build the models themselves. So anyway, I hope you like the channel, and you can check the playlists and the posted videos to see what I've built so far. Talk to y'all later and enjoy my channel.